Alright guys, what's up? I'm Patrick, and this is my WRX. I got the Subispeed V2 Tail Lights, and I'm going to do a quick install. Not many people see what these look like in the nighttime, so I'm going to have a few daytime shots, and we'll do some nighttime shots. So, easiest way to take apart the center trunk trim is getting one of these pry bars, because these little C-clips are a little bit of a pain to get off. After you got all three of those, get your 9mm socket. Alright, so there's one C-clip on the top here and one C-clip somewhere right here. And do that, and this will be a lot easier to get access to these nuts here. Alright, so there's a little center tab in these harnesses that's holding the taillights in, so push that centerpiece down, you can take it out. Alright, and then this is going to be a little bit difficult to pull out the first time, but the piece that's holding on the third nut, just pull it right off. Use some force if you have to. Alright, so here is the most satisfying piece. So this is about 2 weeks later after the install. It looks great both evening and daytime. Haven't had any issues of condensation or anything like that, even with all the rain we've been getting here. If you guys like this video, give a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button, because 2019 is going to be a great year.